Hey guys, it's J10 Rip from DJ Studios, and welcome back to another video. We've never played this on the channel, but I have been playing it for a while now, as you can probably tell. Oops, just click that. And to start off with the video today, I'm actually going to be opening many of these like magic lottery boxes, as you can see. I have 8 of these chests and 4 of these fighter chests. And a lot of tickets, or whatever, keys, whatever you call them. I normally call them tickets. So we're just going to start off with a few of these. Well, many of them, sorry. Okay, see what I get. Come on, give me like gems. I just want gems. This is really, or a gun, a new gun. It might help, Probably not that much, but second one. Please give me the moolah. Hey, 5 coins. Not that bad, but pretty bad. Let's go into another one. Please, just 10 coins. Even more. Okay, come on. Please, I'm begging you. Give me the content. Yes, let's go. This was good, actually. Thank you very much. Very appreciate it. I will be putting that maybe, if I don't have something better, which I don't remember, in my lobby picture thing. I don't know what this stuff is called, honestly. I don't pay attention to it. Oh! Let's go! The Dracula! Let's go! We got the Dracula! Oh my gosh, that's amazing. That's what I've been wanting this whole time. Alright, 5 more parts. I gotta take the whole thing, but obviously you can't get the whole thing. We're gonna go one more novice chest, and what are we gonna get? 5 of those parts of the staff. I don't know the first name. Okay, oops. Sorry, I'm really bad at this game, obviously. Let's go into the fighter chest, and this has gotta give me some big stuff right now. This has gotta give me some. 10 coins. Really, I got that in the last one. You give me 10 coins. That is the worst thing I've ever seen out of this fighter chest. Give me like a gun, please, or a ton of gems. 10 gems, I will take that, but still, yeah, not on the good side. Come on, bring me the money. 25 parts. It will not give me the gun quite yet, but I'm getting closer to it. Please. Oh, come on, 25 parts. 100 parts, please. I think that with our 150 keys, I will get probably one more fighter chest. Boop. See what I get. Come on, please, just do it. Just do it. Why? Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna open like a ton of these, because these seem to be way better. Come on, like you've been doing so much better for me. Let's open many of them. I feel like we should open. Should we open 10 more? I think we should open 10 more for 50 keys. Yeah, let's do that. Let's see what I get. 3 coins, 10 coins, 5 gems, 1 gem. Wow, that is embarrassing. 1 gem again. 5 coins. Give me the moolah. 5 of the parts again. Not too bad. 5 coins. Last one, I think. Ooh, 10 keys. Ooh, not too bad. Just some regular cheap stuff right there. I would say, oh, come on, I'm so bad. Okay, I feel like we should get one more fighter chest, but they're honestly not that worth it. For the content, baby. Okay. Please, go. I'm silent. I'm silent, though. I'm silent. Okay, that's really annoying. I feel like we should have just went for this chest. It's so much better. I just got 3 coins there, and the other one was just horrible. Honestly, I could have gotten that so fast. Okay. So, now that we're done with that, I've been waiting a long time for that. Do not currently have the battle pass. That is a shame. I could get a ton of things, but I don't. Okay, let's go hop into a game real fast. Probably. Oh yeah, a glitch on my thing right here. Do you see this challenge? Play 2 matches using only weapons from a backup category. That one, it's glitched, and actually it won't let me do this challenge. One time I just stood still the entire game holding my backup weapon. And the other time I just was only using it without any jetpacks, grenades. This is the only thing I used, and it still didn't work. It's so annoying, honestly. I feel like it's so easy. But let's, what should we do? Okay, guys, I'm playing in a duel. I wish I could get this. I wish, but it's so annoying. Derp, derp. That's the exact. That's what I am. I like using my sniper. It just does so much damage. Woo! Yeah, I'm so bad. I'm telling you this now. I'm so bad. Why would you put on your shield when you're low? The dumbest thing I've ever seen. My man's crazy. Oh my gosh, I'm at 5 health. No, I'm gonna live. Oh yes, hell, yes, healables. Give me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. He would have just one-shot me there. He would have just one-shot me. All right, where is he? Where is he? Oh, wait, did he just get hit my? Oh, I think he just hit my firework. No, maybe. Yeah, I think he did. I think he actually did. All right, come on. Ooh, ooh, ooh. No. Got him. Let's go. Let's go. We gotta get this win, boys. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Shield up, shield up. Laser him. Bop. Bop. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. Let's go. Okay. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let's go. We gotta win this. Gotta win this. Come on. Please give me the win, please. Oh, shield. Oh, dream. Where'd it go? Wait, did I take it, but he shot me so fast? I'm so confused. Where did it go? I have no clue where it just went. I know. Oh my gosh, I'm totally dead. I'm totally dead right. No, 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 no. Kill, kill. No! No! I'm really upset right there. I was so close too. Jeez. I probably would have lost even if I got the 5th kill. That's upsetting. Okay, going to go into Alright, I just joined a castles one, and this is my personal favorite. I know it's at the top of the list, but I still love it as my personal favorite. It's just, I love flag capture, because I don't have to worry about like all the good, super good players with all the weapons that are like so overpowered. I wish I had those weapons, but I don't. Sadly, I could literally eliminate millions of people. Millions, I say. But I seem to be good right now, and grab the shield and boom, touchdown. Let's go. Sorry, I had to. Sorry. Oh, come on. I like my snipers. Don't judge me, okay? Don't tell me what's good or not. I like my snipers, man. They are the best. Because it's my only high damage weapon. I mean, well, not totally. It's not the high damage weapon. But I am doing okay. Okay, I got the flag again, and I actually got the flag 2 times in a row. I better scores touchdown. No. Oh, 1 HP, 1 HP, 1 HP. No. It's a, wait, there it is. Oh, I have to get it. Parkour master right here. Yeah. No chance. Okay, and great. My teammate just ran into it. But that box opening though. I am currently in a good situation. And man, one shot. It's not even one shot all the time. It's only one shot if you hit him in the face. Yeah. Honestly, I'm so good. I'm actually so good with this weapon. Stop getting in the way, teammate. Oh my gosh. I'm about to die. Ooh, yeah, wait. My pet got him. Let's go. My pet got him. Okay. No. Please don't steal my kiss, please. Please. Come here. Let's go. I probably stole his kill, but I honestly don't care. Yeah. What just happened? There we go. Please and thank you. I want to get this flag. Dodge that. We're all good. And we're running. Going 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Touchdown, bros. Let's go. Flag keeper. League 7. 2 flags. 515 points. 6 coins. 3 medals. 3 credits. 3 keys. Ooh, yeah. Okay, let's see what we got. Come on. Give me. Ooh, ostrich. No. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Brand new gameplay. Pixel Gun 3D. Played a few games here and there. Opened a few keys. Boxes, whatever you want to call it. Still don't know what to call boxes, keys, tickets. I don't know. But either way, see you later. Bye.
DJ Studio.